Hey guys, I'm Becca and today I'm going to be reviewing a butter block from Ethique. This is the sweet orange and vanilla flavour. It smells really nice. It comes in a cardboard packaging. There is a small sticky label just there, which basically says that it's biodegradable. I asked Ethique about this and they said it was cellulose, so I have a feeling that it is PLA. So that can go in the commercial compost bin, but not in the rubbish. So when you open it up, it comes in what I think is kind of paper or greaseproof paper, and it's just one block. Smells absolutely divine. I've used this a few times now. It's absolutely fab. You barely use any of it when you do use it. So you just you put it on after the shower when your skin is kind of hot and damp. You just glide it on and then just rub it in. Lasts all day. Ethique also, all of their products are palm oil free. They're also vegan, cruelty free. And they also are B Corporation certified, which is really good. I have absolutely no negative things to say about this bar. It's fantastic. I would definitely buy it again. And Ethique have loads of different bars for shampoo, shower gels. They have facial as well as body stuff. So I definitely recommend checking them out.